Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 15th of May 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.32%, settling the day at 39,558.11 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,511.18, rising 0.75%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,527.90. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,377, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII sold 4,065.52 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. India may become a dumping ground for Chinese products such as EVs and batteries, with intensifying attempts by the US to lower reliance on Beijing by raising tariffs on these goods. PVR Inox to expand F&B pie, plans to open 5 to 6 food courts with Devyani International. Siemens India Board approves demerger of its energy arm into separate listed entity. Now talking about global aspects, Fed Chair Powell says inflation has been higher than thought, expects rates to hold steady. Factory gate prices in the US increased 0.5% more in April, following a downwardly revised 0.1% fall in March and much higher than forecasts of 0.3%. WTI fell 1.4% to $78.02 a barrel, while Brent fell 1.1% to $82.42 a barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.44%, down. The US dollar is trading at 104.86, down by 0.03. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices extended their previous session's gains, a day ahead of the release of key CPI inflation data from the US. The key indices, Sensex and Nifty, concluded the day on a strong note despite market fluctuations and heightened volatility, closing at 73,104.61 and 22,217.85, respectively, fueled by increases in metal, auto, and energy stocks. However, FMCG and pharma stocks traded in the red. Outlook for the day: the Nifty index has been trading within a broad range of 21,900 to 22,400 over the past few sessions, and a critical support level at 21,950 for the short term and 22,100 will act as immediate support. The immediate resistance level is pegged at 22,350. The Bank Nifty is now targeting its next immediate support level at 47,200, and if breached, it could lead to intensified selling pressure, potentially pushing it down to around 46,600. At present, the index encounters immediate resistance around the 48,000 mark. A decisive breakthrough above this resistance level could prompt short covering actions, potentially driving the index higher towards the 48,800 mark. Stocks on radar are Alembic, BASF, Kochi Shipyard, Finolex Industries, Railtel. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.